Sirs, generally sleeper will get down during the TRR or TSR or any track disturbed issues. Then we are hard to lift the sleeper with available crowbars. So we have developed a small tool which may be useful to gangs. With this arrangement, only 2 men can lift sleeper and make it pack perfectly. माने ER से ड्राइव करो आराम से नहीं आता अभी आता नहीं तभी एम्प्टी लगा दो only 2 men can lift and will give sound intactness in fitting, driving, and also they can brought all the ballast underside of the sleeper. So only 2 men can do this job. And these are 2 items we have developed. It's a small available equipment in PWA office. Just a rod, 8 mm rod. And like this we have cut a plate and we have welded, and this is giving support on rail, and this will go inside and it will give clear and do this work. Thank you.